Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at partspeople.com. And in this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install your Dell laptop replacement part. Stay tuned.
Parts People. Shop for parts. Install them yourself.
Use this coupon for Dell laptop parts, repair tools, and screw kits, all available on our website. Links in the description below. Now let's get right into it. Make sure you grab your plastic scribe and Phillips head screwdriver. Links for those are in the description below. Loosen the captive screws that secure the bottom base cover to the laptop. Then use a plastic scribe to separate and remove the bottom base cover. Now disconnect the battery cable. Then unscrew and disconnect the heatsink cooling fan. All of our Dell parts are Dell Genuine and include a 1-year warranty. You can buy this part right now at partspeople.com. Just click the link in the description below. And don't forget to use our 5% off discount code when you check out. The reinstallation process is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.